Today we're going to Cornellana. That's the second stop.
And Claudio waiting for us.
Guys, just woke up. Shitty night. A lot of bugs. Quite humid. Springs in the bed. But anyway, it's 10 o'clock. I fell asleep around 2, I guess. Let's get ready and carry on with the journey. Alright, so getting ready. Before getting up, I bought this thing. It's like Vaseline, so I'm gonna give some moisture to your feet so they don't have any traction in the boots, and you can avoid the blisters.
It's so greasy.
So last night I washed my stuff. So because every day you need to wash your underwear, socks and t-shirt. Still wet. I'm the last one apparently. Of course, come on, who wakes up at night? Oh yeah, breakfast. Sandwiches, jamon. Today we're going to Cornellana. That's the second stop. It's 25 kilometers. It's gonna take around 7 hours. So we better get going.
There are definitely too many dogs here.
Again, I was taking the wrong direction and this man corrected me, but still, I don't understand where.
He corrected me again. Love it.
So guys, what did I want to say? I don't remember. That's what I wanted to tell you. As you need to wash your stuff every night. If they don't dry up, you just stick it onto your rucksack, and it's supposed to dry if the sun was out at least. You will see a lot of this, I think they're like for stock, so like storage. It reminds me of Japan. We are in Premonio or Premono, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. We've done 5 kilometers since we started, so we got by 5 to go. So 5 by 5, 25. Body is feeling it, even if it's the second day. We've got some muscle pain around the knee, some tendon in the feet. Here, all the scratching. With the shoulder bone there in the front and the back, and also some hips bones aching. So hey, getting rusty guys. This stuff is not dry yet. Great. Woo. Let's go. Some oranges. Look how beautiful this thing here is. That reminds me a bit of north of Italy, like the Alps, made of woods and stone. It's amazing. That's us guys. Follow the pilgrim. Just notice one thing. The shell now is pointing the other direction. Before you had to follow the center where all the lines gathers, but now it's like the other way. And actually, yeah, someone told me that before, so yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, that's different already. Yeah. And I see some apricots, so I'm gonna eat one. Oh no, they're actually peaches. No, they are apricots. They are peaches. Yeah, they taste like peaches. Trampoline guys, backflips. Not sure if I could do a backflip right now. We are in Paladin. That's not my guide, but hey, I'm just following the arrow, so we must be in the right direction. What would we do without internet nowadays? This is a drone spot. I'm sorry, I need to do it. Got my new friends here, this beast with the baby. See you boys. So I found a bar, might get something to eat here. Why not? So tired. I asked for the menù del peregrino, which is the menu of the pilgrim. So it's a special dish. They do, I think, at a fixed price, but I need to wait until 1. So it's 12:30 now. Maybe in 20 minutes they can serve it already. Got my meal, got this salad with potatoes and tomatoes and eggs. So it really reminded me when I was going to have dinner to my grandma. It smells the same. I think I have some chicken and salad for later on. And of course some dessert. You guys know I love it. I see a lot of pilgrims just rushing, so I'm gonna finish this and follow them. Lunch done. Just left the pub. Started to get quite busy here. A lot of pilgrims going. That's a drone shot, right? Damn bridges. And we got Alfredo and Alejandro here, from Malaga, right? So we got some kiwi tree. Never seen kiwi trees. I think we got another 2 hours here to go. It's so warm. ¿Cómo llamas esto en español?
No sé.
No, no sé. Muy bien. En italiano es el timbro.
Sí.
Sí.
Aquí, cuño.
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 Okay, guys, get your cuño when you go to stops.
¿Te vais a Cornellana?
Sí.
Por ahí.
Ah, por aquí.
Sí. El camino antiguo.
Antiguo,
Principal
primitivo.
del Camino de Santiago. ¿Eh?
¿Saben bien por dónde van?
No, hombre, que van por Cabruñana. ¿Cómo vas a saber bien? Si van a Cornellana, ya me dirás.
No sabe.
Van a Cabruñana y luego cogen el camino. ¿Cuántos van por Cabruñana?
We just follow the teachings of the ladies here. We go down. I just met Matteo, guys, here, my new friend. So guys, we got like 2 kilometers left. Maybe 30 minutes to go. Walking with Matteo here to Cornellana, right?
Yeah.
Yo! Una macchina. Follow the arrow. Right guys, Cornellana, there. So that's our daily stop. It's like seeing Jerusalem to me. Got some pain in the legs and the foot, so I think I got some inflammation there, but here we go. It's nice. We got the river. Yeah. Guys, we made it to the, I think it's a monastery. Here we go. Gosh, how many kilometers? Matteo, quanti chilometri oggi?
Me, 32.
32, man. I've done 24. And Claudio waiting for us. Claudio! Minchia, oggi distruzione, com'è?
Oggi è tosta,
Mamma mia. Non lo so. Hola! Gonna find some rooms. Not bad, 5 euros. Plus 1 for the bed sheet. So I'm gonna sleep here, a locked bed. Claudio there, Matteo is here. I'm in pain today, so really my leg, I don't know tomorrow if we can do 28-30 kilometers. We're gonna have some food now and we're going to the river to refresh the legs.
Hello.
See you tomorrow, it's gonna be a long day. In the next episode, 10 euros of ibuprofen. Amazing.
un'esperienza da fare.
Stay with us, we need your energy.
Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.